President Aquino has lauded state-run corporations for their increased earnings that will help fund the administration's programs. The President stressed that this is the result of his administration's intensified campaign against corruption. Luna.
Close to 28 billion pesos in dividends and other forms of remittances were turned over to the government from 38 GOCCs. According to President Aquino, this represents the continued progress towards tuwid na daan.
Ang mahigit 19 na bilyong piso noong 2012 nahigitan natin sa halos 28 bilyong pisong kabuoang dividendo ngayong 2013. Ang 22 bilang naman noong nakaraang taon umakyat na sa 38 korporasyon kabilang sa listahan ngayong taon. Ibig sabihin, mas marami ng mga GOCC ang tumatalikod sa lumang sistema ng wangwang, padrino at panlalamang at tumutuon sa kanilang tunay na mandatong magbigay ng tapat at mahusay na serbisyo sa mamamayan.
The President lauded the performance of government corporations. He said with prudent spending of government funds, it is the people who benefit.
Langit at lupa nga pong may tuturing ang kaibahan ng tuwid na daan sa baluktot na kalakaran ng dating administrasyon. Tayo, 77 billion sa 3 taon, sila 96 billion sa 9.5 taon.
GOCCs remitting 1 billion pesos to the Billionaires Club. Leading the top 8 list is PAGCOR, followed by Land Bank and DBP. Making it to the list for the first time are Bases Conversion Development Authority and the Philippine Reclamation Authority.
Special mention po ang Philippine Reclamation Authority sa kanilang nakamit na tagumpay. Sa 33 taon po kasi ng kanilang kasaysayan bago tayo pumasok, hindi umabot ng 1 bilyong piso ang suma total ng kanilang remittance. Sa ating panunungkulan, mahigit 2 bilyong piso na po ang kanilang inaambag sa kaban ng bayan.
RA 7656 requires GOCCs to remit at least 50% of their annual net earnings to the national government. Upon enactment of RA 10149 or GOCC Governance Act of 2011, the tradition of GOCC Dividends Day continued.
We know how to reward good performance, and we are hoping that the September schedule might become earlier for the performance incentive bonus.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.